You would never catch me without some art supplies on me. So I have here a pocket kit idea, two inkstands, a micron pen, an eraser of course, a water brush, and a mini sketchbook. I bought this one. It was in a set of three, and it comes down to about $32 with taxes for the entire set, sharpener included. And I chose the sepia, which is my favorite, but I wanted to add a little bit of warmth and color, so I added the orange. I'm actually really happy with the result. I didn't end up using the micron pen for this set, but I think I would want one for more detailed scenes. I'm actually really happy with this set. I think it would be so fun to pick one set and carry it in your pocket for, say, an entire summer and fill your sketchbook with it while you go on walks or visit places, something like that. But it's probably not going to be me because I have too many supplies and I love using a variety of things. Still, it would look lovely. I'm curious, what would you put in your pocket? Let me know in the comments.